Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your AT&T prepaid phone from Walmart. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to the AT&T wireless website and then come here to this section where you activate a user device and you choose whether or not it's either an eSIM or a physical SIM, okay? And then what you need to do, you need to go to the app, right? And then tap on activate your device. So it is either your phone, your smartwatch, your tablet, right? So you choose whichever it is, and then to activate a new device, with your SIM type, you select that, and you choose your service. So if it is an eSIM, you need to download that, okay? And you choose your service right here. So whether it's AT&T Wireless or AT&T Prepaid. In our case, it's prepaid, so tap here on Activate Prepaid, okay? And then to activate a new prepaid account, you need to choose your SIM type. So let's come down here. So you either put in your SIM number or your EID number. So let's tap here where do you find your SIM number. So right here, you should find it in your device settings. What you do is you go to your settings, you go to general, you go to about. This is for Apple, you should find it there. On Android, you go to settings, you go to about phone, and then you tap on status. Or you can also find this white labeling device on the packaging, okay? And on your SIM or eSIM activation kit as well. So here you should find it. So we just need this number. And then to use your IMEI number, let's tap on this one. So to find this, you can either dial on your device, star hash 06 hash, or you can access it from your device settings the same way. And it will be on the white label on your device packaging. This first one is IMEI. The second one is usually your ICCID number. So you just use that and then you go ahead and proceed, and then you activate your AT&T prepaid device. You either do one device or two or more devices. You choose the options. You go ahead and make your payments if you have to, and just continue the activation process. Very straightforward. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.